Hey, mobile munches. Sia here, and I'm buzzing about this phone I've been testing, the Oppo Reno 12 Pro. Let's be real, Oppo's been nailing it lately, and this one? Oh, it's got that special something. Oppo Reno 12 Pro has looks to kill. First off, can we talk about how pretty this thing is? Seriously, it's like they designed this phone just for me. It's super slim, fits perfectly in my hand, and those curved edges. Chef's kiss. The matte back feels amazing, plus it doesn't turn into a fingerprint magnet after 2 seconds. Oh, and bonus points for being dust and water resistant, perfect for clumsy people like me. Screen time, elevated. Okay, but this screen, mind blown. It's a 6.7-inch AMOLED dream with a 120Hz refresh rate. Everything is so smooth, it's almost hypnotic. And the colors? They're vibrant, rich, like a painting come to life. Honestly, watching videos on this phone is the best kind of procrastination. Power-packed. Alright, let's get down to business. The Reno 12 Pro runs on the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Energy chipset, and let me tell you, this thing is a powerhouse. It can handle anything I throw at it, from endless TikTok scrolling to intense gaming sessions. Plus, with up to 12 gigs of RAM and a whopping 512 gigabytes of storage, you'll never run out of room for your cat pics. Camera magic. Oppo knows a thing or two about cameras, and the Reno 12 Pro doesn't disappoint. The triple rear camera setup is awesome. You've got a 50MP main sensor, a 50MP telephoto lens with 2x zoom, and an 8MP ultra-wide. Basically, it takes amazing photos and videos, no matter the lighting. And the 50MP selfie camera? It's Selfie Queen approved. Battery life that lasts. Don't worry, this phone can keep up with your busy life. The 5000 mAh battery lasts me all day, even with heavy use. And when it's time to recharge, the 80W wide charging is ridiculously fast. Seriously, it's like magic. The little things. Now, there are a few other cool things worth mentioning. The in-display fingerprint sensor is super fast and reliable. The stereo speakers are surprisingly loud and clear. And ColorOS 14.1, Oppo's latest software, is super smooth and easy to use. Nitpicks. Of course, no phone is perfect. There's no headphone jack, which is a bummer for those of us who still use wired headphones. And the price tag is a bit steep, but you're definitely getting a premium phone for that price. Sia's verdict. So, is the Oppo Reno 12 Pro worth it? In my opinion, yes. It's a gorgeous phone with an amazing display, top-notch performance, a versatile camera system, and crazy fast charging. If you're looking for a flagship phone that can handle anything you throw at it, this is definitely one to consider. Now I want to hear from you guys. What do you think of the Oppo Reno 12 Pro? Are you as impressed as I am? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Mobile Munch for more awesome tech reviews.